So there's some things that we found in our research together that is important to consider, that there are specific kids that are a little bit more vulnerable than others. And there are things that we can do in our community to make sure that as many eyes as we need on those kids can be trained and created. One of the things that we've learned over the last few years is that about 1 out of every 4 sex trafficking victims that we interact with, whether they're children or adults, report that they were in a special ed situation. So they were called exceptional children, or they were in some sort of special education programming. That is important because those kids are vulnerable for a couple of different reasons. We are concerned about their ability to understand and navigate relationships with others. We don't expect necessarily kids who are in special education systems to want romantic relationships, and we are incorrect. That traffickers are super smart. They can figure out what a person is missing, and if a person is lonely or looking for love or looking for attention, traffickers can find a way to do that. And so we've read this information. We've worked with victims, and so over the last 2 years, we've been training special education teachers, bus drivers, psychologists, social workers, anyone who might be in that IEP meeting or 504 meeting, and trying to understand how we can support kids so they don't go into this situation.